Are you seeing these two solid red lights on our Epson EcoTank L3250? We're going to show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. So in case it's showing the solid red lights, this is also called the paper and ink lights. In that case, your printer or the Epson software recommends a nozzle check. Now, it usually indicates the printer was not turned off properly or there is a paper jam or ink-related issue. Now, before we go to the nozzle check, first just press the black copy or color copy button once, wait about 30 seconds, and then see if the red lights turn off. Now, if the lights are still on, just go ahead and turn off the printer using the power button, and then just wait for 30 seconds. And just in case if there is any paper jammed or stuck inside, just go ahead and remove any jammed paper and make sure the ink tanks contain enough ink. Now, if the problem still persists, now we're going to go for a nozzle check. First of all, for that, let's turn off the printer completely. Make sure to load a few sheets of plain paper before you go. Now, all you got to do is just hold down the stop or cancel this triangle button, and then press and hold the power button together for like 5 to 7 seconds until the printer turns on and starts flashing. Release the buttons. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then the printer will print a nozzle check pattern. When the printing is done, grab the paper and look closely. Now, if the nozzle check has missing lines, that means you need to clean the print head. Now, we have a dedicated video showing how to safely and correctly clean the print head, so be sure to check it out. And that's all. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for your time.